Here I'm going to show you how to write a program to calculate total price of item purchased. Prompt the user to enter the number of item purchased, name of the item price and the quantity. Then from the information, calculate the total price and display the total price include GST 6%. So now let's see the coding. Okay, so we need the information, the data to calculate the total item purchase. So I will declare my LCV X. Okay, quantity has been requested from the question as integer. Then we have double data type for price. Okay, for GST and total price and total price GST. Okay, which means that this is for total price including GST. Okay, then we also need the item name, isn't it? So I will declare as string item name. Okay, now this program we have to loop because we will ask user to enter how many times they need, how many things they want to buy first of all. So I prefer to do while method to run this program. So do, why I select do while method, it is because I can test the condition at the bottom. Okay, so do you will put the first question, which is how many times, isn't it? How many items you purchase. So number of okay, then okay, this number of item purchase we just want to ask once. So I have to put it outside of do while. Okay, so this will be the initial value. Sorry. So make sure I put 0 here, and the total price also I have to put 0. Okay, so here we will add cout item name. So it is because string, so I'm using getLine, cin dot getLine, cin dot getLine item name. Don't forget to put cin ws. Okay, now cout, I'm going to prompt user to enter the quantity for the item and also the price. Item price. cin P. So to make it faster, I will copy and paste the coding. This is for quantity. Okay. After you enter all the information, then you start to calculate your total. So total price equals to here will be price multiplied with quantity. Okay. So don't forget, while doing looping, your formula for calculate total will be like this, whereby the total add with the new value. Okay. Okay. So here x plus plus. Here will be y x less or equals to okay, sorry. X is the number that I want to enter, so we need another variable for my LCV. So I will be my LCV and X will be the maximum number that I'm going to have. Okay, so X is, sorry, this is X, this is I. So here should be I plus plus because I is my LCV. Okay, X is the maximum number I'm going to enter. So this loop will calculate one item and then it will loop until we calculate the total of the item. Okay, now okay, I have written the formula for GST. GST will be total price multiplied 0.06. Okay, so now we want to see the total price including GST. So it will be GST plus total price. Okay, so we have calculated the total price including your GST. Okay, now I'm going to display my output. So I can start to display output whereby so first I will display the total item purchase. I cannot list each of the item, but I will list the total overall. Okay, because we are not applying in array, so we cannot itemize each of them, but we can calculate and display the total. So total item purchase, total number of item purchase, total price. So total price will be RM. Okay, to look nicer, we can arrange them. Okay, so what is your GST value? So my GST value here you should display total price. Okay, and the last variable that we will display is total price including GST, isn't it? So finish the program. We have calculated, we have displayed them. So we can compile. Different symbol. Okay, compile. That is char type. So the cin type is like this. Okay, so number of item purchased. So said I want to calculate for 2 items. So item name, said we put pen. Price is 2 ringgit. Quantity is 2. Okay, let's go to the second item because we want to purchase 2 items, isn't it? So the second item is book. Price is 10 ringgit. Quantity is 2 also. Okay, why I have 3 times? Because if you see, I have start the value from 1, from 0, and with less or equals to. So it should be less. Okay, remember 0, 1, 2. So it should be 1, 2 only. So we will put less. So we try it again. So we can see the total item purchased 2, yes, pen and book. The total price will be 11 ringgit. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Your GST will be 0.66. So the total including GST will be 1166. Later on you can adjust your coding to be look nicer. Okay. So here I have proved that I'm doing the do while loop and I can enter as many as I want. Okay. So remember, if you start your LCV from 0, your condition should be less or greater only, not equal to. Okay. You also can make your program look nicer by doing editing them to look nicer. Okay. I'll show it to you in the next video.